National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, central Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Dinwiddie County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Stony Creek, or 10 miles northeast of Purdy, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stony Creek around 3:35 p.m. Sussex around 4 p.m. Homedale around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Owens, Newville, Booker, Yale, Lumberton, Husk, Littleton, and Hilda. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio,